Alrighty everybody, welcome back to part 3 of the building of the LowBoy trailer. I'm Roland, and in this video we're going to be assembling the deck, the Jeep, and the Stinger. Now I'm not going to be assembling it all, I'm not going to be doing a full build, I'm just going to be roughly putting it together and bringing it to the next step, the painting. Oh, I can't wait. So on that note, let's get started. Alrighty everybody, to the next step, the deck. The rods here I cut down to 25.5 inches, and I'm not gonna assemble the whole thing because on this one got to put a spring in here and a little latch thing and a little latch mechanism here, you know, throw the thing there and the latch there, you know. So but what I'm gonna do here is just kind of pseudo assemble it, move on to the back half, the back trucks, the rear trucks, and then I'm going to go ahead and paint it. So we'll just go ahead and assemble this real quick now. This out of the way because the next step is the rear trucks here, okay, which I have there. Now they're not assembled yet, you know. This is where you gotta assemble the back half and then join these two together. Done. Boy, wow. Hefty. Alright, well now alrighty, and that is attached. There we go. See if I can run it through the whole scene. And there it is. Alrighty everybody, starting the next process here. We're gonna start on the Jeep part of it. I'm just going to assemble the frame so I can go ahead and paint it, and then start assembling the wheel suspension arms and so forth. Alrighty everybody, I kind of just finished up the Jeep right here. I kind of ran out of battery on my camera, that's why I didn't finish filming it. Plus it was just easy instructions. Pretty much you just mirror the one side to the other side and screw it all together. And then it was getting a little bit too long to put on the camera where I was at, so as you can see how long it is, it's pretty much almost 2 feet long. So yeah, came out really nice. Flipping it over there, kind of. I still have to print up the kingpin. That's one thing I forgot was the kingpin. So still gonna print that up. But yeah, moving right along. Alrighty, everybody. Gotta move on to the Stinger now. Building the rear truck here. On. I think we're just gonna go ahead and call that. Go ahead and paint that up. I'll take a little file and file those down so the swing arms, the suspension arms can go in there okay. Shave down the license plate here real quick, and that's ready to be painted. Everyone, so that concludes this video. Now bringing it to the next step, the painting. painting it all the pieces, and then bringing it to the final step, the full build. Oh my God, I can't wait, I can't wait. So if you like this video, check out this video. Please subscribe, hit that like button, tell a friend. Until next time, I'm Roland from Fun Filaments 3D RC, and keep on RCing.